In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade Forex on Tradingview. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to Tradingview and you just want to sign into your account. From there, you want to go to the home page and you should be able to see these options at the top. However, we just want to go to this one which says brokers, and we can simply click on this writing here. Now from here, this will show us the best rated broker accounts that are available on Tradingview. And since we're trying to trade Forex, we will need to connect a Forex broker. So we can go ahead and click Forex right here. And this now shows us all the best rated Forex brokers that are available on Tradingview. Now this one right here is a featured broker. They have 4.4 stars, 6.6k reviews and 36 accounts. So this looks pretty good and I'm going to go ahead and open an account with them. What you'll need to do is just fill out all this information and actually create an account with this broker. Once you've done that and set it up, you'll then be able to connect your broker on Tradingview, and that will actually allow you to trade Forex all inside of Tradingview. So that's exactly how you can trade Forex on Tradingview. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.